Oh, this is going to be my video?
Wouldn't put you guys on my channel. There's
Gotcha.
People will be like, what the hell? They already are confused by everything I do.
I got something special. Stay tuned.
You guys up? Are we awake?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh,
Are the boys ready?
no, it's only 10 o'clock. We got like 2 hours still.
Yeah. Yeah, we're slow in the morning, but we're solid through in the afternoon.
So here we have.
Hi, I'm Mike. I'm Jeff's brother-in-law.
And why are you here?
I am here to help build this great, amazing homestead that Jeff is living on.
And how much are you going to get done today?
Very little,
And that's because?
because we're lazy.
Is that because you don't have a wife here to tell you to hurry up?
That is probably the case, but we will still get some progress done, so I'm excited. I think we're going to get the lid put on today, and then we're going to be able to kick back, relax, have a few drinks, and have dinner tonight, and that'll be great.
So you want to do a shout out to your wife?
Yeah. Hey, Laura, it's great to have you here when you're here, but it's also nice to come up with the boys. So enjoy the puppies this weekend, and we're going to get some stuff done.
All right, and you are the next version?
How's it going? I'm Anthony. I'm the nephew, and I'm just here to stand on the ladder and shoot some nails in the roof.
And how much do you think the old guys are going to get done?
They're not going to do anything. They're having me do everything.
And how do you feel about that?
I'm used to it.
All right, so the plan is, right? So the plan is to go, whoops, up here, right? We're going to do what's up here.
Yep, put up the planks. The tongue and groove. Hopefully I got enough to finish.
I think we have enough, and it'll look great when it's done.
I'm going to have to put this panel on.
Oh yeah, I got to put up that OSB.
Yep. We'll get that done too.
Would you like to do a brief comment on the price of lumber? Just real quick, funny.
So lumber is extremely high, and hopefully after COVID settles down, we'll start to see it go back down into a lower price range. But
And because you work for the lumber company?
I do work for a lumber company, and let me tell you, we're feeling it just as much as the consumer. So it's been tough. So hopefully everybody can stick together. We'll get through this.
All right, so first we have to do the boy breakfast of champions.
Yeah, that's just by taking that little bit off and this side off. So let me peel a little more out of that on the edge, or do
But
you
I
want
need to make sure we don't mark it either.
Jeez, Jeff.
Oh yeah.
You see the jigsaw blade?
Yeah.
Did you drop it?
Oh, is it bent?
No.
Yeah. I have the jigsaw and jigsaw blades. You should
No,
have told me.
what happens though, when you go to do this,
Uh-huh.
sometimes the blade comes up and hits this.
Yeah, as we're pulling out. When we do plunge cuts and stuff.
Yeah.
That's what happens.
So you know what we really need, Pat? We need that fan.
Oh, the big
The big fan. There's been, what, like 7 times where we were like, we need a fan?
Don't go past the
Talk
line,
to me.
but you can take the edge of the line off. You're going to have a trim piece on that anyway, so if
Take
it's
me
off.
off, buddy.
Well, this is why...
Yeah. No, they're all off because of
I'm Ryan, by the way.
Anthony.
Nice to meet you.
You not met him yet?
Yeah.
Really?
Well, he doesn't come up a whole lot.
Who are you?
You alright with that? You can fill it with some more of that spray foam you
Oh
want.
shit, huh?
Yeah, you really could.
Wow. Get a little more insulation in there.
Yeah, huh?
I like it. All right.
More good. Good.
Well, they're not good, but we're using them.
We lost the board anyway.
I know, I can't do both of them.
Go.
You good? Yeah.
Damage. Damaged goods. Get rid of it. I'm not telling.
Oh my goodness.
Still too tight?
Still.
Hey!
No, we can get it.
We're gonna get it.
We'll get it. We got it.
Okay, looks good.
It's drooping. It's
You guys have any comments for the morning?
It was cold.
And I'm tired.
It's good to be off grid. Do you have any morning comments, Jeff?
It looks wonderful.
So let's show everybody. So it's all done. I don't have a nice wide angle lens.
I think it looks
Jeffrey,
What?
16 and 8. That is a 6-0 and 1-8.
Please.
Gracias.
You're doing fantastic.
You sure not a quarter but an eighth?
No quarter, 8, please. We're gonna make it easier on us.
You gonna go help? I'm just gonna come help. Huh? Good boy. So clearly Jeff is not the one that's done any work. He's had a secret weapon all along. You guys gonna say anything? This isn't about me. Alright, so what did you think about your project?
It's beautiful, and I thank my friends for doing it.
Yeah. It went up.
Although I did help a little.
It was a team effort.
It went up pretty good.
What makes you guys come up and help him?
Family.
Food.
Beer.
Relaxation, even though it is hard work, it's still a different work than what we're used to, so it's kind of nice to get away from the typical grind and come up and do a little different up here for him, and whatever helps Jeff out, that's what we're here for. Is he's by himself and we want to give him a shot and help him stay on grid for as long as possible.
Off grid.
That's what I meant.
So in my video I said that Jeff would shoot me and take my supplies for you guys. Will you shoot Jeff and take his supplies for you?
Oh, we already have that planned.
Yeah, they probably will.
No. Family's family to the end.
Alright, any last words? You want to say hi, bye, anything you want to add?
See you later, have fun.
You should hear him talk when I'm not asking them
I
questions.
know. Jeff, you know we do this out of love, so we're here for you, brother.
Alright, Jeff, do you want to sign off?
Thanks for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you. Bye.
Bye.